Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill and this is your October Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot comes out every month and it includes 2 brand new collections including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So it's a great way to get a small sampling of new product every month. This month's collections are from Bella Boulevard, Wish Big, the Boy Collection, and Photoplay Paper's Your Gem. Along with your kit, you're also going to receive 2 recipe cards for 2 double-page layouts, one for each one of the collections, designed by the design team. It's going to include cutting and assembly instructions and a full-color photo, so you can use it as inspiration and start creating right away and just copy the recipe, or you can create all on your own. Let's take a closer look at each one of these collections. For Bella Boulevard, Wish Big, the Boy Collection, you're going to receive 2 sheets of white cardstock and 1 sheet of Hillary Green cardstock. The pattern paper includes this one called Make a Wish, which has all of the happy birthday phrases and sayings in the different colors. The back is a tone-on-tone yellow with multi-sizes of stars. Below them out are rows of candles on a white background and then the multicolored stripe. This one called Happy Birthday has music notes. It's a tone-on-tone blue. And the back has all of these great ice cream cones and popsicles and the little sprinkles in between. So one more look at your patterned paper. And of course, even though this is called the Boy Collection, you could absolutely use it for your girls. Your embellishments are going to include a 1/5 a pack of the Bella Boulevard Word Ephemera and a 1/5 a pack of the Icon Ephemera. So you're going to have lots of little embellishments to create on your pages. Also, there are some enamel dots and one of these Bella Boulevard Rainy Day Hug Hearts. So these will vary among the kits, but that's the one that I got. And it's a corrugated heart on a little pop dot and a little gem on there. So super cute. And I think this collection would be fabulous to make up some birthday cards. I know I'm always needing birthday cards. So think about doing some cards or smaller projects, tags, birthday tags for gifts with your kits when you're finished creating. Your second collection from Photoplay Paper is You're a Gem. And you can see it has lots of little gem icons in here and the geometric shapes, bright, vibrant colors. So another really fun collection. So this one's called MultiGeo. So it has the geometric shapes set inside squares. The back side is a wide blue stripe with a craft thin stripe in between. This one called Gemstone Swirl has the craft arrows on white, and the back is this awesome kind of watercolor, and that's where that Gemstone Swirl name comes from in the pink. This one called Sparkle is a cut apart, so it has some 3x4 and 4x6 and 4x4. And the back is the moon and the stars set on a brown kind of watercolor background. So some really unique designs in those. Your embellishments are going to include a 1/2 a pack of the die cuts and a 1/6 a pack of these gold enamel dots from Doodlebug, as well as some chipboard arrows. So your embellishments will vary, but that's a look at what was in mine. And I believe this collection is another one like the Bella Boulevard that would make some beautiful cards. So when you're through creating your projects with this, be sure to look and see with your embellishments what kind of cards you could create to send someone special. For your cardstock, you'll receive 2 sheets of Peacock and 1 sheet of Avalanche. So that's Photoplay Paper, You're a Gem. Come on over to the Scrap Room blog and the Facebook group to see what your design team is creating with their kits, and join in on some of the fun challenges that we have going on. If you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, click that subscribe button and that notification bell and you'll be notified when new videos are released. Stop by the Scrap Room and check out all the other kits available. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.